If you've ever been told that you were too much or too sensitive or too intense, then this one is for you. Because the truth is that you were never too much. You were just meant for so much more. And it's actually a huge sign. You know, the thing is when we're here, it's up to us to decode our own signs and our own reality. And it's usually the things that are against us that are disguised as our superpowers. And so it's just up to us to decode that and then change our belief system about that. So welcome in. I hope that y'all are doing amazing. If you're new to my channel, I'm Lindsay. And in today's video, I want to talk about how much your too much is needed and how it is actually so symbolic of being a spiritual baddie. And if you need to reclaim your self-worth in this department, then it is time, because you are so adored and the universe is just dying to reflect this to you. It's just about changing our belief system. And when you do, and the universe gets a chance to reflect this back to you, this is when reality changes. And I want to solidify some new belief systems for you right now. So if you were told that you were too emotional, the truth is that you felt what others refused to feel. And if you were told that you were too deep, the truth is you were born to alchemize shadows into gold. If you've ever heard of the Midas touch, everything that you touch turns to gold, that's you. If you were told that you were too expressive, the truth is that you were encoded to speak truths others feared. And finally, if you were told that you were too spiritual, then the truth is that you remembered something ancient that others forgot. You know, the world was really built to celebrate the small and the silent and the safe, but that is not what you are doing here. You came here to expand and to awaken. You came here to stretch people's edges, including your own. And so we are going to do some belief system changing right now. So number one, your intensity is divine. Your sensitivity is sacred. Your bigness is not a burden. It is actually a blueprint. And you came here for overflow, for impact, and to claim timelines that no one else around you had the courage to claim. And this is why I want to remind y'all all the time how much I am there for you, because this is me too, and kind of why I am a lone wolf. It's just me as far as like family or friends goes that has the courage to do the inner work, to be quantum and to be whole and to have big dreams, to attract big dreams, right? So again, you are, you know, and you're not meant to like do it alone either. And that's why it's important to share and to talk about these things. And a big part of what I am doing here, and also what brings me so much purpose and joy as well. So to the beautiful one who was told that they were too much, to the soul who shrunk to stay loved, to the light that dimmed to stay safe, not that you need it, but this is your permission slip. Take up all the space, okay? And go ahead and comment for me. I am not too much. I am meant for more. And don't forget that your bigness is a blessing. Let it shine. And please know that I love you so much. I am so grateful for you. I am always rooting for you, always pulling for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I can't wait to see what you do.